What's up everyone? So in today's video, I'll show you how to do email marketing for affiliate offers. So basically I'm going to show you how to take an email list of any size and turn it into actual affiliate income. This is going to be a completely free step-by-step tutorial. So I hope you guys get some value from it. So everyone knows what email marketing is. Everyone knows what affiliate marketing is, but not that many people actually combine the two. The truth is you can actually make a ton of money promoting affiliate offers through your email list. You don't need to sell your own product. You can absolutely sell someone else's product or service. So let's go over some of the simple math behind it. Let's say you have an email list with 1,000 subscribers. When you send an email, let's say 40% of people open the email. That means that for every email, you'll have 400 people open the email. Now let's say you have a 5% CTR, click-through rate. In this case, it means about 20 people are going to actually click on the link in your email. And yes, that link is going to an affiliate offer. Now, of course, this is going to be completely different for every affiliate offer, but let's say you have an earnings per click of $15. Yes, there are tons of offers out there that have an EPC that high. If you take 15 and multiply it by 20, that means you're making $300 on average per send. The other great thing is that email is something that you actually own yourself. No one else owns it. It's a list that you own outright. So there's no algorithm lottery and you can send an email whenever you want. So now that you know how powerful email marketing is when combined with affiliate offers, I'm just going to take you guys step by step on how to actually set something like this up. So of course, the first thing is going to be picking the right offers. Email marketing doesn't work for every single offer out there. In fact, the email list that you have or the one that you're going to build is going to perform differently for different offers. And it all depends on your niche. Who are these people that have signed up for your email list? Why did they sign up? And what are they interested in? So the number one thing is you need to pick an offer that matches this list. Now I've had luck promoting affiliate offers through email with a bunch of different brands. For example, right, Omnisend actually works pretty well with email. Hostinger works great too. It's a website hosting platform. I had luck with Shopify. And yeah, it really depends on your audience. So I'm not really going to talk about this too much. You know your audience the best. Now, if you don't have any affiliate offers that you are promoting yet, what I would recommend doing is just go out there, go to Impact Radius, go to Partner Stack, go to Awin, go to Amazon Associates, create an account there, pick some of the offers that you think might work well for your email list, and then apply to those affiliate programs. Now, the main things that I look for are EPC, earnings per click. That's basically how much money you're making on average per click. And this can vary wildly from maybe a few cents per click all the way to $10, $20, $30 per click. I also look at commission percentage or commission amount per action. Some affiliates pay based on the number of clicks. Some pay based on the number of actions. So it could be a sign up or a funded account, whatever it is. I also like to look at cookie length. So the longer, the better. You're going to want to look for things at least 30 days, but usually this is going to range between 30 to 90 days. So for example, if there's a cookie length of 45 days, that means you're going to get credit for that sale for the next 45 days, even if they click out and they come back. You also want to know the refund rate because they don't pay out affiliate commissions if the person refunds. And also I care about brand trust because you don't want to send people to a spammy offer. And so I only work with really reputable companies. So I'm logged into one of my Impact Radius accounts. And I'll just show you guys how to actually find brands. So just come here to all brands and you can see there are thousands and thousands of companies on these affiliate networks, and just browse through this. You guys can look at the different categories to sort by different things, right? So for example, if I want to look at educational, I'll click on this. It's going to show me all the companies that fall into this category. For example, this one, it pays 20% per sale. This one pays 30 to 45% per sale. So Coinbase, this is one that you guys probably know of. If I click on this, you can see they pay 50% of the transactions. So that's actually pretty cool. And down here, you can look at the 30-day earnings per click. So you can see it's $1.03 per click. It also shows the response rate, the acceptance rate, and don't worry too much about the funding status. But essentially, you'll want to join or apply. And that's how you actually sign up for these affiliate offers. It very much so is like the 90-10 or 80-20 rule, where you'll make most of your money from a small percentage of your affiliates. That's always going to be how it is, but you need to actually go out there, try and identify which affiliate offers work well for your audience. So now let's talk about how to actually build your list, the foundational things that you need to know. Now, the fact is that no one's just going to give their email to you for no reason. There needs to be an exchange of value, meaning you give them something and then they will give something to you, which is their email. Now, this is where lead magnets come in. A lead magnet will be something like a website starter kit. It could be 7 email email templates that sell, a PDF. It could be 10 AI prompts for a niche. It's usually some type of digital thing like a PDF or a template that you email to them when they give you their email. This is the main thing that you're going to use to actually build your list. And in my opinion, it's absolutely crucial that you have this. Otherwise, no one's just going to give their email to you. Now, the email platform that I use personally is Omnisend. So I'm actually going to show you guys how to create this. I'll actually have a link down below to my Omnisend link. If you use that link, you'll get 30% off any of their paid plans for 3 months. And yeah, I've loved using Omnisend. There are other email tools out there, but this is the one that I prefer. And also I encourage you guys to just follow along with this video. That's the best way to do it. And they also have a free plan if you want to just try it out. So seriously, you might as well do it. So I'm in my Omnisend dashboard right here. If I come here to forms and then I click on create form, this is where I can choose from a huge list of form templates. So my goal is to collect subscribers. So I'll select this and you can see they have a ton of different things that are already pre-built for you. There are tons and tons of different angles you guys can take, basically how to provide value. For example, you can have them spin a wheel. You can give a predetermined discount. You can send a PDF. Yeah, basically you can do anything you want. Just to show you, I'll show this one. So I'm going to use template. We can easily edit this, right? We can change any of the text here. We can change the colors. We can select what is in each of these different slices, as well as the probability. And yeah, you guys can figure this out. I'm not going to go too in depth, but this is just one of the ways you can collect emails. Once you're done with this, you'll click enable form and you'll be able to embed it on your website. Now, one thing you're going to definitely want to do is use your branded domain to send the emails. So you'll go to your store settings, go to domains. You're going to want to add a domain here and then verify it. You'll verify a bunch of different things within Omnisend, and then you're going to want to warm up that email. Don't send too many emails at the start because that's really going to hurt your email deliverability. And I recommend just sending plain text or very light HTML emails at the start. Now, once someone actually gives them your email, there are a few things you're definitely going to want to do. First, you're going to want to create some type of tag. And this is very, very important, especially if you want to promote affiliate offers in different niches. If someone put in their email to get a lead magnet about how to build a website, you're going to want to tag them website. Being able to have these email segments, these different audiences is going to be extremely important because the last thing you want to do is send out a pretty niche offer to a very general audience and expect that to convert. That's not going to work. It's really going to hurt your results. Next, you're going to want to create a bunch of automations. So essentially, we're going to have a welcome email go out. That can be how you actually give your lead magnet to the person, as well as some type of email sequence. It could be a 3 email sequence that goes out on day 1, day 3, day 5. You guys get the point. So within Omnisend, I'm going to come here to automation. I'm going to click on create workflow, and we'll be able to choose from all these different pre-built automation workflows. So just for this video, I'm going to show you guys this welcome sequence. It consists of 1 email and then 1 SMS. So we'll click on customize workflow here. We'll see that the trigger is set to the sign up form. We can create different audience filters if we want, as well as exit conditions. But essentially what's happening right here is once someone subscribes, it's going to wait for 1 minute, and then it's going to send out this email, wait 1 day, and then send out this SMS. So obviously this is set for an e-commerce store right here. So you're probably not going to do something like this. Instead, it's just going to give the lead magnet as well as welcome them to your list. And this editor is very easy to use. We can click on this and change the delay if we want. For example, if I want to do 1 hour, I can do that. If we click on this right here, we'll be able to edit this email and what goes out. So definitely change all this stuff. To edit the content itself, we'll click on this button right here. The email editor within Omnisend is also extremely easy to use. You just click what you want to send. We can add different elements here by clicking here. We can choose different layouts as well. And yeah, what I found works the best for affiliate marketing through emails are very simple HTML designs or just plain text. So you don't even need to use a layout like this. You can just use text. Edit the content right here, change up things, add your logo, and then that's going to be the email that goes out. Same thing with the SMS. You guys can just change what goes out here. We can add different things. So for example, if we want to add another email, this means that this email is going to go out at the same time as this SMS. We can also add a delay if we want. And then this is basically how you add a sequence of emails to this workflow. Automations are really key. You don't want to manually do this all the time. Just create these automations within Omnisend and just have the emails sent out automatically on this predetermined schedule. Now for this welcome sequence, what I just recommend doing is, like I said, giving some type of value. So it could be the lead magnet and then just warming up your audience with a bit more value. After that, what we can do is set up one-off email campaigns. So for example, if I come here to campaigns and I click on create campaign, we'll choose email. We're going to enter in all this information, choose a template. So for example, let's choose this one, edit the stuff that goes in here, click save and choose recipients, choose which subscribers it's going to. And of course, I recommend choosing different segments. So you'll want to have set up different tags and segments. Always send a test email, then you'll want to review your campaign and then click send now. Now, in terms of writing emails that actually convert, I'm not going to talk about it too much in this video, but the main gist is that you need to give value to your audience. I think a lot of people, they expect that they can build up a list and then just keep hitting that list with different affiliate offers, selling different things, whatever it is. You can't do that because you're going to fatigue your audience. If you do that, basically no one's going to open up your emails anymore because they know it's just going to be some type of pitch. So yeah, open rate's going to go down. Click-through rate is also going to go down. And of course, with affiliate marketing, it's all about conversions. So of course, you're not going to make any money. That's why you need to give value to your audience and bake these offers naturally into your emails. I use tools like ChatGPT and Claude and Gemini to help me write emails. But the main thing is that you need to give value to your audience. For me, I think educational and like tutorial type stuff does extremely well. That basically means you are sending out an email, and in that email, you're teaching them how to do something. So it could be an email subject like how to do this in X days, or how to get this result without this pain, or this tool versus this tool. Which one is better? When you do that and then provide some value in your email and then actually present your affiliate offer as a solution, that's really what helps convert the best for affiliate marketing. At least that's what I found in my experience. You can also get pretty creative, right? You don't need to have the actual link within the email. You could also link to a video that you made with an affiliate offer in that description, or to a different page. You don't need to actually link directly within the email. And whether or not you do this is going to really depend on what type of offers you are promoting. You guys will also want to make sure that you have some type of affiliate disclosure within your email. And also some affiliates will have different rules. So you're going to want to make sure that you're following all of them. Now, something that I really want you guys to see are the segments that you'll find under audience. It's very important that you guys create segments for your list. So if I click on this button right here, you can see some of the most popular segments that Omnisend recommends, right? So for example, this one's active email subscribers. So these are people that have opened at least one email in the last 30 days. We can choose to send an email only to these people. We can send an email only to people who purchased during one of your sales. Some of these are for e-com brands specifically, but a lot of them can actually be used for a general email list. So basically what I recommend doing is take one of these popular segments. So for example, this one, click customize, play with these filters so you can get a little bit more detailed, right? We can change this to, for example, 45 days. We can choose tags instead of subscription status if you want. There's a lot of different things that we can actually sort by. Then you'll click save and show contacts. Name this one this test, and then it's going to show all the contacts that match this filter. Now in the next section, I want to give my tips and tricks because there are a lot of moving parts when doing email marketing, especially for affiliate offers. Yeah, I want to save you guys some time. So like I mentioned already, with affiliate sends, you're going to want to choose a template that's pretty light or just text only. If you guys have an e-commerce store or you're selling products, that's when you're going to want to use something with a little bit more visual appeal. But what I found is that the really basic designs or just plain text work the best for affiliate offers. And the main reason for this is because it's value driven. So they get value from the text, not from the design of it. Another thing you can do is actually resend the email to people who don't actually open the email or people who don't click on the link, right? That's why you need to use a specialized software like Omnisend so that you can track all these different things. It's very important that you guys have a great lead magnet. And the reason for this is because getting emails is getting harder and harder. I'm not saying don't do it, just understand it is harder. You can't just put up a form on your website, actually expect people to give their emails to you without any type of value exchange. So the type of lead gen magnet that you give them, the type of discount, whatever it is, it's very important that you make this actually good. Put some actual effort into it and your conversion rate is just gonna get a lot higher. Don't just use AI to create something in 5 seconds and expect that to do well. You're gonna need to put some sweat equity into it. In terms of engaging with your email list, you're definitely not gonna want to send out mass emails to everyone, especially if these people came to your email list from different lead gen offers. If there's people that are into emails, people that are into creating a business, people that are into, let's say, e-commerce, whatever it is, you're gonna wanna create different tags and segments for those people. Do not just promote affiliate offers to your entire email list, rather promote them to these individual segments. The better the match, the better the conversions, the better the open rates, and that's really gonna save your email list. Don't go a long time without sending emails. I've seen this happen over and over again where people will build up a list, they let that list die by not engaging with the audience. And yeah, people have short attention spans, right? They don't remember things that they signed up for. If let's say you wait 6 months, you send out an email, people are gonna be like, I don't remember signing up for this. They're gonna mark it as spam, and that's really gonna hurt your affiliate results. Next, you definitely want to heavily use the automations automations feature in your email marketing platform. So with an Omnisend, for example, I love automations. I set up a ton of them. They are always running. That's essentially how you build a business or a company without always like running around. And the last thing is, again, it's value driven, right? Everything when it comes to affiliate marketing is value and also trust. When you give value, you build trust. When you build trust, that's when people actually want to listen to your suggestions, your recommendations, and they'll actually convert with your affiliate offers. So yeah, essentially you can have an email list with 100 people that makes a lot more money than an email list with, let's say, 100,000 people. It all depends on the intent of the people, the trust that you've built with your audience, and that comes from giving value, as well as finding the right affiliate offers to promote to the correct people within your list. So yeah, that's basically how you do email marketing for your affiliate offers. If there's one thing that I can leave you guys with, it is to not get frustrated. It takes some time to figure out what affiliate offers work for your list, and it also takes time for you to actually build your list. It takes a lot of patience. It takes a lot of consistency. Just know that once you've built up a great audience, there are tons and tons of different ways to monetize them. And doing email marketing with these affiliate offers is a great way to do it. You don't need to have your own product or service. You can actually promote other people's products and services and make consistent revenue doing that. Again, I'll have a link to Omnisend if you guys want to try them out. Play around with it. It's super powerful. And yeah, using all the automations, pre-built templates, it's going to save you a ton of time and stress. So hopefully this video gave you guys a pretty foundational step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do this. If you've been thinking about using emails to promote affiliate offers, I highly encourage you to take action, because if you don't take action, you'll never know if it actually works or not. If you guys got any value from this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content just like this. And yeah, really appreciate your time, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.